Hello, my name is Sarah Mankus, and I am a Training and Implementation Specialist for Wolters Kluwer. This video will cover managing survey permissions by the use of access filters. An access filter is a way to limit who can see the results of a survey. Only the permission level of Entity Manager can be limited using access filters. A global admin can always see everything. There are 3 steps to fully set up permissions based on access filters. First, create the access filter groups, then associate the access filter group to the appropriate survey, and define which entity managers have permission to see the access filter groups created. First, you will have to create your access filter groups. At the top of the Create and Edit Survey screen on the Survey Manager tab, select the link Create Survey Filters. This screen is where you create the access filter group names. Type the name of the group you would like to create and press Submit. The group name has now been added to the list. If you want to delete any of the group names listed here, all you have to do is select the checkbox next to the name you want to delete and press Submit. Once your list is complete and you have submitted the additions or changes, select the Cancel Changes, Return to Survey Manager link to return to the Create and Edit Survey screen. You can add new access filter groups at any time by selecting the Create Survey Filters link at the top of this page. Now that you have created your survey filter groups, you can associate those groups to your surveys. From the Survey Preferences page, there is a drop-down menu for access filters. This menu will contain all of the groups that have been created. By default, all surveys are set to no restrictions. This means that all global admins and all entity managers with Survey Manager permission have access to this survey. If you want to limit who has access to this survey, select the appropriate access filter group from this drop-down menu. You will also have to define which entity managers have permission to see the access filter group you created. From the Admin tab, select the Edit link next to the entity manager you want to give permission. At the bottom of the User Detail page, select the link Extend Analysis Privileges. The initial screen is to assign permissions based on entity. To assign permission based on access filter groups, select the link Assign Survey Permissions at the top of this page. On this screen, you will see a list of all of the access filter groups that have been created. Check the box next to the group or groups this user should have permission and press Submit. This will have to be completed for each user that will need permission to any access filter groups that have been created. Again, this filter is only applicable to the permission level of Entity Manager. Once saved, that Entity Manager will be able to see all surveys in the access filter group specified, as well as all surveys with no restrictions. This concludes managing survey permission by access filter groups. Thank you.